Have you ever paused to notice that quiet voice inside your head is the one that speaks to you all day long? But it's not just random noise. That voice is your subconscious mind and it's running the entire show behind the scenes. Most of your habits, your deepest feelings, and your automatic reactions grow from that hidden place. When people want to change a part of their lives, they often try to argue with that inner voice. They try to use willpower to shout over it or talk louder to drown it out. That rarely works because your subconscious does not speak the language of logic or just cold words. It speaks the language of feeling, of vivid images, and of gentle repetition. Real and lasting change only happens when you finally learn to speak its native tongue. That language is self hypnosis, which is not about stage shows or losing your control. This is a path of gentle and powerful transformation that unlocks the door to your own mind. As you open that door for yourself, you might find that it leads to helping others find their way too. Hi, I am Rupali Apshankar, a board certified hypnotist and a certified instructor with the National Guild of Hypnotists. I'm also a Heal Your Life coach in the philosophy of best-selling author Louise Hay. Along with my husband couple here at Blissvana, we help people transform their lives through self hypnosis, meditation, affirmations, and many other spiritual practices and modalities. Today, I'm going to talk about self hypnosis and how it can unlock your mind's power. Your conscious mind is like you driving a car. You decide where to go, but your subconscious handles the automatic parts like putting the brakes or steering the wheel without you having to think. If you always take the same road to work, you might arrive without remembering that entire drive. That's your subconscious running on autopilot. You can't just tell it to change a habit overnight. It learns through repetition and feeling. Your conscious mind is brilliant and logical, and it's very good at planning or analyzing your day. However, it's not in charge of your deep seated beliefs or that heavy gut feeling that you carry. All of that belongs to the subconscious, and the subconscious communicates in a very different way. It does not hear the words, I should be more confident, when you say them to yourself. It feels what true confidence feels like, and it sees the images of you standing tall and being brave. It learns through gentle and repeated suggestions, which is why just thinking positive thoughts often fails to stick. Think about the times when you are already drifting in a light, natural trance. Maybe you are driving a familiar road and you arrive home without even remembering the trip. Or you are so absorbed in a book or a movie or a song that the rest of the world just fades away. Or sometimes you miss an exit on the highway, which is known as highway hypnosis. That is a natural hypnotic state where your conscious mind takes a small step back. In those moments, your subconscious comes forward into a state of deep focus and quiet receptivity. Self hypnosis is simply the practice of learning how to create that peaceful state on purpose. It's like learning to gently adjust the settings of your mind's autopilot so that you can smoothly change your course with ease. This bridge between your conscious and subconscious mind is built on a foundation of safety and deep trust within your own heart. So, when your subconscious feels safe, it can finally relax and let go of the old patterns that no longer serve you. It can accept new and loving instructions which is where the real magic of healing begins to unfold. This change does not happen through force, but through a beautiful surrender and a sense of allowing. So, how do we achieve this? It's a simple and gentle process that unfolds in 5 steps, and we'll walk through each one of them together now. The first step is to find a place where you feel truly comfortable. So, look for a quiet space where you will not be disturbed for a while. You might want to loosen any tight clothing or take off your shoes to help your body settle. You can do this sitting or lying down in a position that feels very comfortable and supported, because the goal is to let your physical self feel completely at ease and relaxed. By doing this, you are telling your nervous system that it's safe to relax and let go. The second step is to set a clear and loving intention for your practice. Think about what you would like to focus on today, but try to keep that thought simple and positive. You might say to yourself, I want to feel calm. If you are dealing with anxiety, you want to release anxiety. So, choosing these words give your mind a clear direction and a beautiful purpose to do this practice. The third step is to set a time limit for your session. Especially when you're just beginning this journey, it's helpful to keep the track of time. Maybe just 5 or 10 minutes, you can start with that. This creates a safe container for your experience and tells your subconscious mind that you are protected, you are safe for this particular amount of time. If you want to feel more at peace, you can use a gentle timer to keep the track of the time. The fourth step is to create a safety net for your mind. This is a simple phrase that protects you and reminds you that you are always the one in control of this process. You might say something like, for the next 10 minutes, I will deepen my relaxation. And if anything needs my attention, I will awaken easily while feeling calm and refreshed. This statement builds a deep sense of trust within yourself, which allows your mind to fully surrender to the moment. The fifth step is the process of gently guiding yourself into a deeply relaxed state. We'll practice one of these together very soon in this session, but it often involves focusing on the rhythm of your breath or slowly relaxing each part of your body, which is progressive muscle relaxation. The key here is gentleness, because there is no effort or work involved here. You are simply allowing that relaxation to unfold naturally. These 5 steps of comfort, intention, time, safety, and induction create a sacred space where your subconscious feels secure enough to listen and heal. This foundation is everything and is the first step toward helping yourself and learning how to hold this peaceful space even for others. Now, let's practice this together. Please do not practice this if you are driving or doing any other chores. Make sure you are seated in a comfortable place, and if you feel safe and ready to do so, let your eyes softly close. Take a nice deep breath in and exhale slowly. Take one more deep breath in and let go. Bring your attention down to your feet and feel the weight of them resting there. Allow any tension you find to just melt away as your feet become heavy, relaxed, and soft. Now, gently shift your focus to your ankles and let them loosen completely. Feel that soft and heavy sensation moving up into your calves. as the muscles soften and release. There's no need to hold on to anything right now. So let go of the day. Let go of any thoughts. And now, bring your awareness to your thighs and feel those large muscles begin to sink. Let them relax deeply as you notice your hips and pelvis feeling supported, heavy, and calm. Now bring your attention to your stomach and feel the muscles there soften and relax. Move your focus to your chest, and with each breath you take, feel your heart area become more peaceful and open. Let your shoulders drop away from your ears and release any weight that they may be carrying. Feel your arms become heavy and your hands become relaxed. Let your fingers loose and still. And now, bring a soft and gentle smile to your face to relax your jaw. Let go of the tiny muscles around your eyes and feel your forehead relax. Your whole head feels peaceful and light. With every breath you take, feel this deep calm spreading through your entire being. You are safe and all is well in your world. Now, in this quiet space, let these words fill you. I am confident and capable. I am enough. I am worthy of success and happiness. I believe in my abilities. Feel the truth of this confidence warming your chest. It's a solid, steady feeling. See yourself easily handling your day, speaking up in a meeting, making decisions with ease. Let this feeling grow stronger with each breath. I am confident and capable. Feel it deep within your body. This feeling is real and it belongs to you because it's always available whenever you need it. Take one more nice deep breath in and let go. And when you are ready, gently bring your awareness back to the room around you, wiggling your fingers and your toes, becoming aware of your body. Take one more deep breath in, and when you feel ready, Slowly and gently open your eyes, wide awake, feeling refreshed and calm. This simple practice of turning inward is the foundation for everything you'll build. It starts with your own healing, and that personal journey eventually becomes the greatest gift you can offer to the world. I often think of Dr. Anya, one of our clients, a physician who first came to us feeling completely burnt out and skeptical of these methods and these practices. She initially learned self hypnosis just to manage her own stress levels, and she soon discovered a profound sense of calm, peace she hadn't felt in years of her practice. And the real shift happened when she noticed how this inner stillness, inner peace began to change her work with her patients. She started using these same gentle techniques in her clinic, like taking a few deep breaths before a difficult conversation or offering a moment of guided relaxation for someone who is in physical pain. As she watched their nervous systems settle and their healing accelerate, her skepticism just washed away. Her personal practice became her most valued professional tool, and now she uses hypnosis daily as an essential part of her medical practice. And so, this is the beautiful ripple effect that happens when you heal yourself, because you naturally become a beacon of light for everyone around you. Your own self mastery is the very first step toward the mastery required to help others find their way. Our hypnosis training programs are accredited by NGH, which is National Guild of Hypnotists, and ACHE, American Council of Hypnotist Examiners. These programs are designed to provide this exact path for you. The 100-hour foundation course and the 200-hour certification can turn your inner work into a skilled profession and a sacred calling to serve others. So allow yourself to practice this relaxation every single day and notice how your inner world changes. When you feel called to go deeper into this work, I invite you to visit the links below in the description. Reach out to us to know more about our certification programs and join our supportive community, because the world really needs more compassionate guides like you. Thank you for giving yourself this gift of peace today. This is the first step on a beautiful journey. And if this resonated with you, please do like, share, and comment on this video. Your engagement with this video helps me reach more people. Stay subscribed for more uplifting content and meditations. And thank you for being here. Namaste.